just confirm, can everybody hear me?
Yes, I can
Yeah.
hear you.
All right, all right, all right. Yeah. So thanks for joining back. Yeah. So is Yusuf still here? I don't know if he's here, so you can just continue from where we stopped. Okay, I don't think he's here yet. So but do anybody have any question like before we continue?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, Favor.
Jen, guys. Please, I don't know. I want to ask a question. Is this token thing different from how do I put this question now? I mean, there are so many other tokens that's under Bitcoin or under Solana, for example.
Yeah.
Are we saying that those tokens are also native of blockchain or something? I don't know if you got
Okay.
my question correct.
Yeah, I get your question. I get your question. So those tokens now under Solana, for instance, yeah. Solana on its own, it is one. I mean, let me share my screen. Solana on its own, yeah, is a blockchain, right? So if can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay, okay, nice. So Solana on its own is a blockchain, very different from Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So on its blockchain here, we have every blockchain has its own native token. So the native token of Solana blockchain is actually Solana, you get, and the price for now is like what you can see here, you get in what I just highlighted. So
Yeah.
now, yeah, so now in a blockchain here or in a blockchain ecosystem, we can have other tokens, right, that are built on that blockchain. So I'm coming. Let me just check something. Let me come here and go to um ecosystem, cryptocurrencies. Uh, I'm coming. Categories, yeah, categories. So yeah, we'll get to see something. Um, just a minute. We'll get to see. Okay, for instance, now this is Solana ecosystem. So we can see here now, when we click on this, we will see we will see other coins here. These are meme coins actually. We could see other coins that are built on Solana ecosystem. You get they are built on Solana blockchain. So these coins we're seeing here, for instance, this official Trump, you get, which is a meme coin created by Trump himself. I mean, and his team. You get this is official Trump. It was built on Solana, but this particular coin now is not Solana itself. You get it's not Solana we just saw. You get. I don't know if you're following.
Yes, yes, I am.
Okay, nice. So it's not the Solana token that we just saw. This is another token, official Trump, that's the name, but it was built on Solana ecosystem. So we could this is the logo of So. So if you want to check the like if a particular token is built on Solana, if you come to CoinGecko, this is the token of Solana here, where we see this S sign here. So this smart contract now is what we're going to be, is what if you want to buy this token now, but is a smart contract we're going to use to buy the token. So just think of smart contracts as like the account number, for instance, right? Or for in wallet, for instance, in wallet, we're also going to create a wallet. In wallet, there's something called a wallet address. So just picture that wallet address as like your account number. So if I want to send a particular token to you, I have to send it using your I have sent your wallet address. So just picture it as like your account number where if you want to receive money in the normal banking system, you receive it through your account number. I don't know if you get. So this contract address now, it is the identifier of this particular token. So if we want to buy this token, we would have to copy this contract address and then get the token we want to buy. But because this is not a trading, what's it called? A trading course, we will not really go into that. But Let me just show you guys something. All right. So, um, okay, let's just do something. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, guys. I had an issue with my network, so it took me out. But can you hear me now?
Sir, I can hear you, sir.
All right. So, I'm trying to. Can you see my screen yet? Let me come back to Zoom and see. Okay, I'm not sharing yet. Okay. Share screen. Hmm. Okay. Um, where is this? I'm trying to show you how we could possibly get this token. You get if we want to get it. Although this is not a trading course, but just because you asked for it. So I just want to, I feel like that's the best way for you to like get to understand what I would want to explain. But I think it's kind of my laptop is sort of lagging a bit, so it's taking time to come up. Um, mm, okay, not very lot. All right. Okay. What's going on? Guys, just bear with me. My network is very unstable at the moment. Am I still in the meeting? Uh, okay, yeah, I'm still in the meeting. Yeah. So can everybody hear me?
Yes, can hear you,
Yes,
sir.
we can hear
All
you.
right. All right.
Hear you.
Really sorry about the whole back and forth. Yeah, I think you should be better now. So now let's try and let's try and try to get this particular token. So let me come back to Zoom to see what you're saying. Uh, share screen. Okay. Okay, you can see my screen, right? You can see the coingecko.com, right?
Yes, I can see your screen.
All right. So if you want to get this token, right, which is the official Trump you get that is built on Solana, right? If we want to get it, what we have to do is to copy this contract address. This contract address now is the identifier of that coin. So every token or every coin, they have their own contract address you get. So if you want to buy this particular token on this official Trump, which is a meme coin that is built on Solana, you get, we just copy the contract address. We'll head over to Jupiter, that's jup.ag, which is a decentralized exchange, right? And all we have to do is um,
Boss, we can't hear you.
okay, yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. My network is very bad here, so it's taking me out. So I guess you can see my screen now.
Yes, we can.
All right, thanks. So I'm going to make this real quick. So if you want to get this official Trump token, because it is built on Solana, right? All we have to do is to copy the contract address, right? And then head over to, let me make this smaller so I can, and head over to Jup, yeah. So head over to jup.ag. Jup.ag. Basically, this is like a platform where we can buy and trade coins on Solana network or Solana blockchain. You understand? So because this platform is only for Solana, what's it called? Solana blockchain, where we can get to trade tokens on Solana. All we have to do is, if we want to buy this official Trump token, we'll copy the contract address here, and then we would head over to jup.ag. We would interact with this decentralized exchange where all we have to do is we're going to ensure that in the selling spot here, we have Solana, and then in the buying spot, we are going to input the contract address of what we want to buy. For in this contest, we want to buy the official meme coin, which is official Trump. You get. So yeah, what we are then the next thing to do is to connect wallets, right? So um in Solana, there are a couple of wallets you can create, but the two popular ones are Phantom and Sofair wallets. I think I'm going to go on how to create that wallet, but let's just finish this up for now. So we click on Phantom Wallet, and then it automatically connects. So if we have Solana, right, before we can buy this coin, we have to have Solana because this token is a token that is built on Solana. So we have to have Solana native token to be able to like swap it for this token that I want to buy to get it. So let's say I have sufficient amount of Sol in my wallet, for instance, in this wallet, and I put in one Solana, which is what we saw here. Let me make this a duplicate. Duplicate this, and then just type in Sol here. Solana. Okay. I mean Solana. Yep. So this is loading. So now we can see that the native token of Solana, we can see the price of the native token of Solana. You get which is this, which is $212. So for us to be able to buy this token we want to buy, right, we would need to, what's it called, make sure on the decentralized exchange where we want to buy the token. Solana is the one in the selling, right? And then all we are buying is what is going to be in the buying section in the interface, right? So let's say I have about one Solana, I would exchange one Solana, and if I'm exchanging one Solana, I'm going to be able to get 9.8 unit of this Trump token. You get, I don't know if you guys are following.
Yes, yes, I'm following.
Okay, all right. So for me to be able to buy this official Trump token, which is a token built on Solana ecosystem or Solana blockchain, I can only swap the native token of the blockchain to get this token. So what I'm trying to say is that because this token is built on Solana, I can only swap what's it called, one Solana, or I can only swap Solana token to get this coin on this exchange. So exchange is like a place where you get to buy and sell coins, basically. So we have decentralized exchanges, which is this one I'm showing you, which is Jupe. We also have centralized exchanges, which is things like Binance, Bybit. We also have KuCoin. I don't know if you've heard of that. I think Binance is the most popular. So Binance, we could buy and sell token on Binance as well. What's it called? But just that it is centralized, so it is like controlled by the Binance team, yeah. But yeah, in what's it called? In what I'm using here is called a decentralized exchange. Like I said, Binance is a centralized exchange. Why this one I'm using, this Jupe.ag I'm using is a decentralized exchange. So if I want to get this token, all I have to do is just to connect my wallet, right? So basically, my wallet, there are certain things I would go over when I'm creating a wallet. So in the wallet, you get to control your own wallet, and you control your wallet by your private key. And private key is more like a unique key that if anybody have access to, they can easily have access to your wallet. So just see private keys as like your password, for instance. So if anybody have your private key to any of your wallets, they'll be able to access your wallet anywhere you are. You understand? So on this decentralized exchange now, all I have to do is to connect my wallet to this decentralized exchange and exchange my token for the token I want to buy. So if I want to buy another token on the um, Solana ecosystem, what I have to do is to look at the token, the coins I want to buy, and see if it's a Solana token. I mean, and see if it's a token that is built on Solana. For instance, this token, PNG Penguins, for instance, we click on it, and then how do we identify that it's built on Solana? If we scroll down and we see this logo, this Sol logo, this is Solana logo. We can see here on the Solana native token, we could see that this logo here, right? And the logo that is showing in this place, they're actually identical. You can see that logo is the same thing, right? So this is how we know that a token is built on Solana because of the smart contract will have a representation of the token that is the blockchain that is built on. So if I want to buy this token, all I have to do is to copy the contract address here and then head over to jupe.ag, which is a decentralized platform, simply a place where I can get to buy and sell tokens on Solana. And then I'll just ensure that Solana or the token I want to exchange it for is in the selling place, and what I want to buy is in the buying place. So how would I do that here? I would click on this, right? And then copy and paste the smart contract of the token I want to buy, which is Pengu for in this context right here. And then I'll get to exchange Solana for it, right? So if I'm exchanging one Solana, I'm going to get 15,000 units of this token. And then if I had sufficient, so all I would just what I would click on was swap, you get. And then when I click on swap, I would just confirm the transaction in my wallet, and that's all. So Fivo, Do you get the process?
Yeah, perfectly, I do.
All right, thanks. And
Thank you.
yeah, nice, nice. So, guys, very sorry that this session haven't gone as smooth as I would want it to be. I've been having some issues with my network as well. You get so very sorry. So let's try and I mean, I know most of us will be very, very confused. Let me be truthful to you. So let's just try and like um create a wallet, for instance, right? So can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So let me go back to this, right? Move this down a bit. Okay. So when we're interacting with cryptocurrency, right? Like cryptocurrencies are basically everything we're seeing here on CoinGecko.com. This is okay. So CoinGecko.com is more like a site where you can view the prices of various cryptocurrencies, yes, and then see how much they are worth and sort of just track them. You get. So when we head over to CoinGecko.com, we get to see the list of tokens that are available on CoinGecko that is being tracked by CoinGecko. And then, um, like I said, like each of these tokens are tokens that represents the token of the individual blockchain. Like this Bitcoin you're seeing here, this BTC you're seeing, it's a representation of the Bitcoin token that is used in the Bitcoin ecosystem or Bitcoin blockchain, while Ethereum is the native token that is used on the Ethereum blockchain. Vice, I mean, and the likes, XRP is the native token that is used on SRP blockchain. So we can see what's it called? Different types of tokens and their prices as well. So um I actually explained with Solana and I used Phantom Wallet. So let me just maintain that, right? So if we want to interact with tokens on Solana um, ecosystem, we would need what we call a wallet. So basically, just like banks now, if you want to use UBA services, right, you need to register a bank account on UBA, right? If you want to use OPay, you have to register your account. You can just create the OPay wallet and you have an OPay account. So in that same, reasoning logic, if you want to use, if you want to interact with tokens, yeah, on a particular blockchain, for instance, Solana. Now, every blockchain have, what's it called? Certain blockchains, right, they have their own wallets. You get like not really their own wallets, but there are certain wallets that are meant for tokens of certain blockchains. So now, for instance, this one I just interacted with is called Phantom Wallet. So Phantom Wallet is a wallet that enables you to track and store what's it called tokens on the Solana blockchain. So if you want to download Phantom Wallets on our phones or on our PC, all you just have to do is head over to Google and type in Phantom Wallets, right? Phantom is spelled Phantom, right? Um, so we go to phantom.com, right? Phantom.com. And if we are using, I'm coming. So yeah, we head over to phantom.com and then we head over to this download button. Yes, yeah. Then we click on download and we're going to see a page here. Um, so because I'm using my laptop and I'm using Chrome, all I have to do is to click on download for Chrome here. I mean, because I'm using a desktop, which is a laptop in this sense. So I'm going to use Phantom for Chrome. But if you're using your mobile wallet, you just scroll down and you click on what's it called? If you're using an iOS device, you should click on the App Store. And if you're using an Android device, you click on the Play Store and you get there. Just ensure that you only get, what's it called? This wallet on the site, basically just to be safe, because the last thing you don't want to do is to, click on the wrong link and then get your what's it called, your wallet drained. So what you have to do is, if you want to interact with Phantom, just come to Phantom Wallets, right? I mean phantom.com, click on downloads. If you're using a PC, and you're using Chrome, you go to download for Chrome. If you're using an Android device, you come down, you click on the Android version here. And if you're using an iOS, you click on the App Store here. So that's the flow. So let's continue. So because I'm using my laptop, I'll click on this and then okay. So this is because I have already I have Phantom on this, what's it called, on this account. I should be saying, if not, I should be saying, instead of saying remove from Chrome, I should be saying add to Chrome. So let me use another separate account so that I can just go over the flow very well. So Phantom Wallets, go to phantom.com. Phantom.com. Yeah, so like what we just went through, you head over to download and then in the download section, we head over to Chrome. All right. And yeah, so because I don't have it on this my Chrome account, what I'm going to say is add to Chrome, and all I have to do is to click on add to Chrome, right? So if you're doing it on your mobile phone, which I think some of us may be doing, I'm running out of time. Okay, let me be fast with this. So if you're doing it on your mobile phone, if you're using an Android device, so you just head over to the Android, session here, and you click on ads. I'm coming, sorry. So you just come to this phantom.com, and if you're using an Android, you click on Android, which is the Google Play Store. And then if you're using an iPhone, you come over to the App Store here, and it's going to direct you to the link that you'll be able to download the app. So because I'm using my laptop and I'm using Chrome, all I have to do is just click on Chrome and then add to Chrome. So it's loading, still loading. So basically what we're doing is we're having to get the Phantom wallet, right, on this device here. So because I'm using Chrome, right, Chrome basically have what we call extensions. So extensions are just like on our normal phones, like applications, for instance. What the hell, man? So, okay, applications, right? On Google Play Store, right? And okay, nice. So applications on Google Play Store and application on App Store, right? So for Chrome, it's called extensions, basically. So that's why we could see that it took me to an extension page on the Chrome Web Store. So just this Chrome Web Store, just like App Store or Play Store, you get. So if I want to download any app on Chrome, I have to come to the Chrome Web Store and click on extension, which is basically like an app you get, but in this time is extension. So since I've downloaded it, since all I have to do is just to add to Chrome, and then it's going to download a file, and then I will see a pop-up here. And the next thing we're going to do is, if we already have a wallet, we click on I have a wallet, but because we want to create a new wallet here, so we have to come here, create a new wallet. Are we following?
Yes.
All right, nice, thanks. So let me go back. So when we click on create a new wallet, we'll click on we can either choose to continue with email, which is now a new feature you get, or we create a seed phrase for this wallet you get. So let's go through the create a seed phrase, what's it called? Create a seed phrase wallet. So think of seed phrase as like okay, let me just create the seed phrase wallet here. So what are seed phrases, right? So seed phrase is more like a it's more like your password, yeah. But instead of password now, it's is a set of words, right? That are important for you to access your wallet. So it's more like in banks, like if you want to use OP now, you have to put in your OP account number and your password, right? So for seed phrase or in Web3, when we're interacting with Phantom wallets, um, our the most important thing is our seed phrase. Yes, that is our more like our password to have access to our wallets anytime we want to have access to it. So if anybody knows our seed phrase, they can what they just have to do is just to copy, just head over to Phantom Wallet on their phone or on their laptop and just put in our seed phrase, and they would access our wallet straight up. So your seed phrase is something that should be known to just you and you alone. So it's actually okay. So let me go back. So when you click on create a seed phrase wallet, it should ask to enter a password. So this password is basically a password you can use to access the wallet, right? So I can just click on it, enter like a random wallet. I mean, a random password I will not forget. Uh, so this password is asking you to enter is basically like a password that you can use to what's it called? Access this wallet. But your seed phrase, anybody with your seed phrase can be able to change your password. So basically, just think of seed phrase as what gives you admin rights to your wallet you get. So anybody that have access to your seed phrase would have access to your wallet, regardless of your password. They can just change your password because they already have your seed phrase. The important thing is your seed phrase. So when we click on create a password, we enter the password we can use to access this wallet. Then the next flow is this. So I am sharing my screen, and then the reason why, I am going to do this because I will never use this wallet. You get, I will never use because basically everybody have seen this seed phrase, right? So basically all you have to do is to just snap this. If you snap this particular thing, if anybody can snap this particular thing, this is my seed phrase of this wallet. So if, let's say for instance, someone just snaps this, right? The person already have like my the key to enter my password, my wallet. So if let's say I load up the wallet, right? Because the person have my seed phrase, they can just easily put in my seed phrase on their Phantom application and access to my wallet and then move my assets. You get, so one thing you should know is your seed phrase should be known to just you and you alone, right? So just because of this is like an educational uh section, so I'm making this public, right? So on Phantom, what you need to do is you're going to write your seed phrase down, right, in a piece of paper that you will not lose, rather, because the part of the seed phrase is that it is used to access your wallet. So if let's say, for instance, I lose my laptop, I can always access my wallet on my phone, you get, with my seed phrase. So if I lose my seed phrase, right, I would not have access to my wallet again forever. You understand? So it is advised that if you're creating a wallet, right, you write down your seed phrase in a book that it could be in a book, right? But trust me, what one thing you should not do is to store your seed phrase on Telegram or on WhatsApp or you know or on Twitter, for instance, maybe in your DM, because anybody that have access to those things can easily see your seed phrase. So it's recommended that you write them down in a book. You get that you would not lose. At least that's still like the most safest, for instance. So I'll write down this, what's it called? This seed phrases to create this wallet. And then again, one thing people used to do here is like people used to like in this session now, you can just snap it on your phone. But the thing is, if you're snapping on your phone here, you are basically putting yourself at risk because anybody that takes your phone and view your gallery can come across your seed phrase and can just get access to your wallet through your seed phrases. So the best way to stay safe is to just write your seed phrase down on a book. So um so far, like, are we getting the flow or should I go over it again? Okay, I see a thumbs up from people, so I assume that we are following. So because I have created my wallet on Phantom, my Phantom wallet, I downloaded it here and then I created the wallet. So for me to access my Phantom on Chrome, all I have to do is to click on this extension tab here, and I'll see Phantom. I'll click on Phantom, and then
Sorry, I can't see your screen.
oh, you can't see my screen. Okay, let me go back to Chrome to Zoom. Share screen. Okay, share screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, nice. Um, yeah. So if I want to access my, okay, I think this meeting will soon end. So I think we'll just end it here. But I will continue next Sunday. So but I think I want to assume that we got the flow of creating a wallet today, right? Favor.
Yeah, sure, I did.
All right, nice.
But I still have one question I want to ask.
Okay. Okay, what's the question? I hope the time
You
allows
talked
us.
about Okay, you talked about Phantom being the
Yeah.
wallet for Solana tokens. Do we
Mhm.
have a wallet for Binance and I think Ethereum is for MetaMask also?
Yeah.